Hello everyone. Today, actually yesterday, look what came in the mail. We got something from DHL and we're going to open this today to show you what is inside. You know what's inside?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a type of computer where you could get a lot of games.
Cool.
And
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut this tape. Yeah. It'll take a while. Do you know what is it called though? Let's open this fairly quickly. Oh. Give me more time. Should have opened this early.
that's what I said. That's what I said.
These DHL boxes are very hard to open, so bear with us. Alright, so we got it to open. So what is it?
It's a Piper computer kit.
It's a Piper computer kit. So we got this from playpiper.com and it's currently on sale because of the holiday season. The actual price is $299 US, but because of the holiday sales, we got it for $179. That's around $20 off, and then another further $90 off on top. So we actually got it for $179 US, and it's I think it's a deal. So what we're going to do today is that we're going to unbox this Piper computer and take a look at what is inside, and then later on in the video we'll show you a rundown of how we assemble the computer. So I'm just gonna let Zara open this box here. So once you pull this out, the lenticular, you can see that the Piper logo moves. Like, oh. Alright. So the box itself is Minecraft oriented. You can see well, it's a bit of Minecraft oriented. You can see the fonts that we use is a Minecraft font because this is a Minecraft edition. I've got Minecraft inside. So I'm gonna let Zara open the box.
You have a quick start guide. Top secret note. A little character.
Top secret note.
The blueprint instructions.
Alright, cool.
It has a tiny mouse,
Yeah. Let's take this out. Tiny mouse.
speaker,
Speaker.
have some boards.
Mhm.
And this is the motherboard. There you go.
Yeah, this is the motherboard and what we call a Raspberry Pi or Raspberry Pi. So this is quite powerful motherboard because this is actually a computer that's missing a lot of its peripherals. So this is something that we will look into at the very end of the video as well.
Some buttons and some cables.
Buttons and cables. There's a lot of buttons and cables.
Motherboard
Yeah.
and wires. Bunch of wires.
A bunch of wires. So what do you use these wires for? You've seen the videos before.
To connect so you could actually build some stuff in the game.
What kind of stuff do you build from these wires?
Like how to move forward, backwards, left and right.
Yeah. I mean buttons, right?
Or
Yeah, joysticks. Cool. Alright,
screw.
A screwdriver. Drives the screw. Yeah.
And a charger.
It is, yes. This is actually the charger, the power bank. So this holds the power for the what they call this, the Piper computer itself. This holds around 3 hours charge, so it does give you a decent amount of juice. But if you tend to be constantly on the Piper computer, it does take a good amount of power to operate. You can use external power as well. So what else have we got in the box?
The computer itself, you have to build.
Yeah.
The screen.
That's the screen. Can you show the back part of it?
Another board.
So what is this made of, Zara?
Wood.
It is made of wood, yes.
and all the pieces. Some glass, that glass bits.
Yeah. So we've got a lot of wood pieces here. Now these wood pieces here are labeled, and then what the Piper computer setup the kit asks kids to do, it requires assembly, and which is where the blueprint comes in. So we've got quite a lot of wooden pieces in here, where you need to build the actual computer, the actual laptop itself. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these all back in. Yeah. So, are you excited about this? What do you think? Why are you so excited about having a Piper computer?
How many games you can do and a lot of gaming.
How many games can you actually upload into a Piper computer?
Probably like 500 about.
Well, it's actually 5,000. You can actually
5,000.
have more than 10,000 games, retro games from Sega Genesis, Nintendo systems. So we're gonna put these all back in. Yeah. And I'm gonna have, because this Piper computer kit is for 7 years and above, and Zara is actually, she's 9. So what I'm gonna have her do is I'm gonna have her assemble everything on her own with minimal help from myself. So she has a blueprint that she will follow. Yeah. And then once she struggles or she's stuck with something, then I'll come in. But the idea of the Piper computer is that every single child, 7 to 15, will be able to assemble a proper computer on your own. Have you ever seen something like this?
No.
No. I mean, like in school, do you use any computers in school?
Yes, we do, but it's not like this.
So what's missing in this compartment? I mean, what's missing in this set? For a computer, what do you need apart from a mouse?
Oh, you'll need a keyboard.
You do need a keyboard. So what's missing from this set is a keyboard. Now, this computer, well, Raspberry Pi itself, it has a lot of extensions. For example, cameras. You can install cameras, robotic arms, keyboards. You can basically even, because it has a lot of USB ports, a lot of ports for you to extend your usage. So you can actually connect these to television as your main screen. You can have a keyboard on it as well. So you got lots of abilities to actually, lots of features that you can add on. Alright, so what we're gonna do next, Zara?
We're gonna start building.
We're gonna start building. Anything that you want to say about this set?
It's really cool how you can build your own computer and see how you can build it.
Because Zara mentioned to me around a few months back that she wanted something, she wanted a set where she can, what do you call this? Connect wires together. So connect wires together. So this is exactly what gives what it gives to kids, is that they're able to connect things. It's kind of an introduction to not only programming, which will happen inside the software, but also in terms of learning how to connect things, the transistors, the wirings, the cabling, and everything involved. So it is quite a good introduction to things like Arduino simulators and assembling your own computer.